Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your first time seeing my beautiful face. Hi, welcome to Claire here. On this channel I film skincare videos, I do product reviews, I do DIYs, and of course skincare tips. So if you are interested in anything like that, quickly join the family by subscribing to the channel and turn on your notification bell. That way you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. So welcome to the family. So all my returning subscribers, I see you, I love you, welcome back. Okay, so today's video is going to be a review. I'm going to be reviewing a body moisturizer, and this is a Johnson's Vita Rich Brightening Lotion. This is a brightening lotion. Yes, it is a brightening lotion, but it's not a brightening lotion for those who want to lighten their skin, but they are not bold enough. You know that some people who really want to lighten, they don't just have this confidence. They're not just strong enough to come out there and say, I want to lighten. So they'll be hiding behind brightening lotion, hoping that the brightening lotion is going to do the job for them. This is not for you. This is not going to change your skin complexion. This product on its own is not going to change your skin complexion. But if you want to use it to change your skin complexion, hold on, watch this video till the end. I say watch it to the end because if you don't watch it till the end, you come and ask me something that I've already answered. I will not respond to you, and please don't say I ignored you. I'll just like your comment, but I will not respond to it because some of you do that a lot. Now, this lotion on its own is for dark skin, caramel skin, light skin, basically all skin complexions. Provided you don't want to lighten, you can use it like this on its own. It is going to smoothen out your skin. Now you're wondering, you don't use a product, how do you know? I got this product for my son and I tried it on my skin, okay? I tried it on my skin for 2 days. I was not trying to see how it's going to even my skin or no. I was trying it to see the moisturizing effect, okay? Because it is a moisturizer. To me, as far as I'm concerned, this is a moisturizer. Even though it says brightening, it's just a moisturizer. Now, I tried it on my skin. What's my take about it? If you are dry skin and you always suffer from dry skin during cold seasons or during winters, your skin is very dry and you're looking for a moisturizer, this is not the one for you to buy, okay? Don't buy it. This thing doesn't really moisturize like that. And the moisture it gives your skin doesn't even last for even up to 2 hours. Honestly, this is it. See how light it is? It is very, very light. And when you put it like this on your skin, see, it's already disappeared into my skin. It lights on so easily and it doesn't last. The moisture doesn't last. The hydration doesn't last on your skin. So, for those who are oily, normal, it is fine. This is good for you because you're not struggling with dryness. So you can go and get it. For those who really want to use it, you're dry, you really want to use it, I would say you have to add in oils into this thing. You just have to add in oils. If not, you just be wasting your time. Your skin will still be feeling dry. Add in oils and add in some glycerin, vegetable glycerin. But one thing you also want to know is that because this lotion is too light, if you add in oils, it's going to bring the consistency to be too runny. Okay? If you're somebody who doesn't like a runny lotion, don't go for it. Talk less of adding oils. But if you're somebody who doesn't mind, because there are people who actually use just oils on their skin, they don't use lotions. If you are that kind of a person, you can bear using just oils on your skin. You can also go for this. You add your oils into it, it will be okay. Okay? It will be okay. But if you are not, then don't try because it is so light. It is so light. It's good for a child. You know, we Africans, we like to rub products on our skin and see that our skins are looking shiny, glowy. That's what we always like. According to us, that's what makes the product to be good. That's how we feel that the product is moisturizing. This one, it doesn't give you that effect. So, but if you want to use this product to brighten, like I said, you want to brighten your skin. When I talk of brightening now, I don't mean giving you 2 shades. I mean giving you half a shade or 1 shade. Because you cannot be going 2 shades and you're just brightening. You're lightening already. Okay? If you want to get like half a shade to 1 shade, then you can go ahead and get Star Clear oil. I'll put it on the screen. Get Star Clear oil. This lotion comes in 400 ml. And divide this lotion into 2. You have 200 ml. You take your Star Clear oil. Star Clear oil comes in 100 ml. Divide it into 2, you get a 50 ml. You add into 200 ml of this lotion, and then you use it on your skin morning and evening. Scrub your body. If you don't scrub, you're not gonna get any effect. Scrub your body. Use a good body soap, shower gel, whichever one you choose to use. Use a good one because all those things will contribute to giving you a good result. Or if you cannot lay hands on Star Clear oil, go for glutathione and vitamin C whitening serum. I'll leave a picture on the screen as well. Go for that serum. That serum is very powerful in glowing the skin. Get that serum, take half of this lotion and pour in one of that serum into it. Forget the name whitening serum. It's not going to whiten your skin. It is a glowing, brightening serum. It's not going to, I've worked with it, I know it's not going to lighten your skin. So you can go for that serum, put it into 200 ml of this lotion, and it is going to glow your skin the more. Otherwise, this lotion on its own is just a regular moisturizer that will smoothen out your skin. Yes, it does that. It smoothens out the skin, but it doesn't brighten the skin, even though it says brightening lotion. Okay, so I hope this makes sense. Get good body wash or soaps to use, and then you'll probably be happy. And to those of you who like saying that, in short, this one is story for another day. I love you all so much. I'll see you in my next video. If you like this one, give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that, and stay beautiful, stay glowing, so you can grow old without wrinkles. Bye.